So this is what Busch Gardens looks like getting ready for Hurricane Irma. Everything is completely closed. Not any traffic. I got lost in here, started driving the wrong way, and apparently I'm on the tram track right now because I don't give a shit. Alright, look at all the sea of handicap parking places. Got my dash cam going too. So, look at all the handicaps. That is a lot. Then there's expecting mothers over there. Let's go this way. Alright, let's see what's down here.
Bus parking?
Probably.
That's what it is.
You can see the roller coasters are stopped. Speed limit 12, I'm doing 25 because I'm a baller. Whoa, where are we at?
I told you were on the bus track.
Oh, snap.
You got out.
Oh, snap. I thought we were going to see more parking lot. Didn't we go in over there?
Yeah, and you got on the bus track. That's what I told you. The buses don't park.
Cool. Well, so that's it. That's Busch Gardens closed for Irma. And now I gotta go this way. All right. See y'all later.